Have you ever thought about growing your own unusual edible plants? Imagine biting into a juicy homegrown kiwano melon, or adding freshly picked nasturtium leaves to your salads. The world of gardening offers an abundance of exotic fruits and vegetables that can be grown right at your doorstep. From the tangy taste of the African horned cucumber to the vibrant hues of rainbow chard, this journey promises a culinary adventure like no other. Growing these unusual edible plants can be an exciting adventure, and we're here to guide you through it. Before we dive into the how-to, it's important to choose the right plants for your garden. Some unusual edible plants require specific climates, while others are more versatile and can grow in a variety of environments. For instance, roselle thrives in tropical climates, while ground cherries can adapt to cooler regions. It's essential to consider your geographical location and climate when selecting your plants. By doing so, you're already on the path to a thriving garden. Remember, the key to a successful garden is choosing plants that will thrive in your specific environment. Now that you've chosen your plants, it's time to get your hands dirty. Growing these plants is not as daunting as it might seem. To begin, prepare your soil. It should be rich in organic matter and well-drained. Next, plant your seeds according to the instructions on the packet. Some might need to be sown directly into the soil, while others may require a period of stratification. After planting, water them thoroughly, but remember, overwatering can be just as harmful as underwatering. Monitor the plants regularly, ensuring they get the right amount of sunlight and nutrients. Be patient, these unusual edibles might take a little longer to grow than your average tomato or lettuce. With patience and care, you'll soon have a garden full of unusual, delicious edibles to impress your friends and family. So, why not give it a try? Create your own garden of unusual edible plants and experience the joy of growing and eating your own food. Imagine the satisfaction of harvesting fresh produce right from your backyard. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy planting!